Good morning. Today we're going to talk about the techniques you can use in order to help your child learn to use their cochlear implant and listening technology to the best of their abilities. That way they can hear not only environmental sounds but also speech and conversation and be able to understand and participate. Today we're going to talk about chunking. It's not really a technical term, but it's or a fancy term or even a pretty term to say, but it's definitely a good technique to know. What you do is when you are working on longer sentences, how you can help your child to understand those sentences is to break them up into smaller bits at the beginning. So what I usually do is if I have several little toys, I have my dog, my girl, my boy or dad, and a cat, and I have a house right here. So what you can do is just simply give part of the sentence, pause, and help them to understand that sentence, part of the sentence, and then move on to the rest of the sentence. So when you're moving into sentences, I would first give one of these people, and I would say the girl, and I would pause and wait for them to pick up the girl, and then tell them what to do with it. So the girl is in the house, and then they can put the girl in the house. Super fun. And then for the next part, the boy, pause and wait for them to hear, find the boy, is in the house. So that way then they can do it in the house, right? Super easy to break up that sentence into two separate parts, especially when you have that first part, which is the person, and then the second part, which is what they're gonna do. This is also very helpful when I have more than one girl, and I have to say the girl with the purple shirt, and then give the rest of the sentence, is in the house. That way they can fully understand that whole sentence. Once they're able to do that, I very quickly, though, move it into saying the whole sentence at one time. This is one of those techniques you might want to start off with saying the full sentence and then move to breaking it up when they don't understand, because you don't want to leave them with half sentences for very long. They need to be able to hear the entire sentence of the girl is inside the house and understand all of those different parts. This technique is often used with acoustic highlighting, and I have a video on that as well. I'll put the link down below so you can check that one out as well as you move your child from listening to just simply words to sentences and then into conversation. So have fun and good luck.